on some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage?
What's up, baby girls and boys? Bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. My name is Felipé Charming. As you can see from the title above, I will be reviewing the Fenty foundation concealer, all that good stuff. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so that you can get notified of every single upload. Without further ado, as I am late already, I'm not going to hold this video up any longer. I am using the shade 410, and I'm going to be priming my skin with the Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. I kind of want the foundation to speak for itself, so I'm really just putting this in my T-zone. I know I will need it. I already moisturized using the Neutrogena oil-free moisture combination skin moisturizer. My skin looks an absolute mess right now because I'm breaking out. As you can see, discoloration is a thing. Yeah, so I'm not gonna be testing out the powder because I only got the concealer, foundation, and the gloss bomb. But yeah, I'm really shook. I hope this works out well. I am gonna be taking a tiny bit of translucent powder on my nose. That's it. And I'm just gonna press that in over my entire T-zone. I'm using a little tiny bit just because I know this is like a thing. I'm excited to try this out. I'm really gonna take a pump. And this is my literal first time ever trying this, so that you're getting my first impression on camera. That looks like a little tiny ass bit. Whoa, that's just a bubble thing. That's weird. Here goes nada. So starting in my problem area. I'm not gonna lie, when I first laid her down and just looked at it, it looked way too light. Now that I'm like blending it in, she's doing it. Dang, honey. Ooh, and it looks like my exact complexion so far. Okay, we're definitely gonna need a little pump. We'll probably need like 3. I don't want to do too much now. But you see how when I first put it on, it's like crazy light. But once I like blend it in, and I am using a clean beauty sponge just for fair game, using these products. Real Technique body blender is clean, by the way. So far I'm loving the coverage. I'm not gonna try to talk too much so I can speed through some of these parts. Well, this looks crazy on camera, like that perimeter of my face. So I'm gonna do less talking and do more blending and kind of speed through this part a little bit. Okay, this is taking too long for my liking, and I keep running out of product. Maybe I should have my face with a brush. Too late now. But even for me to like be using a sponge, this is pretty matte. Like, it's pretty matte. I didn't keep track of how many pumps I did. Wow, this may be some revolutionary ass. Or I'm just gonna be like, yeah, you guys hyped this shit up for no reason. But I did a really good job of matching myself, so I'm really happy with the shade I chose. Now, if I don't like it, it's going back for sure. Time-wise, a brush seems more feasible with this. And I like this matte because it's not like unbearably dry. It's like literally, as described, a soft matte. This is definitely medium coverage, and I used a lot of pumps. Sometimes I like my flaws to peek through, but if it's something that I'm like really innately trying to cover, it's like an issue. And it layers beautifully. Okay, one more layer. Okay, not even a whole layer, but just a little bit more. This is definitely something that you have to pat. I feel like when you rub too much with this, it kind of lifts some of the coverage, so maybe that's why I f***ed up. Ooh, bitch. These pimples don't want me to be great. This foundation smells so good. No one talks about the way it smells. Okay, so I think that's that for foundation. I'm gonna hold all of my thoughts until the end of the video. I'm gonna bronze with my usual, which is the Black Opal foundation stick. I won't do too much because, again, I don't want it to like affect the way this wears. But this wears beautifully with every other foundation, so it really shouldn't affect it. But I'm just bronzing just a little bit. It's like, it smells really good. It feels really, really, it feels really lightweight. Especially considering I put on like 5 pumps. And usually I only put on maybe like a pump and a half of foundation typically. So, but I like it. I don't mind it. It doesn't feel like I have on that much foundation. It feels really lightweight and just. Now I'm going in using the concealer in the shade 385, and I just got like a highlight shade for myself. So yeah, see how I did matching this. Yes. See, you may notice in my last video, my other concealer is way too light. This shade is perfection, and wait, it almost smells like the foundation, but it's not as like loud or potent as those are both words I should not be using on my channel, but you get it. And these are the only places I have been taking concealer on my face lately, which should be fine because based on, you know, the promo, this is like, little goes a long way. So, whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Okay, Rihanna, bitch. I see you, girl. Okay, girl. Hold on. I need like a bite-sized mirror. Coverage on swole. Okay, she's selling me the powder for her foundation concealer. Like, this is what my face looks like after I set it and all that good stuff. Like this, I might not even have to set this, but me being me, I'm still gonna set it. But I'm just like, bitch, I don't have to set this if I don't want to. Bitch. I am shook it to thine core. So, since I don't really feel like I need to bake it heavily, I'm gonna use the, no, this isn't the Fenty powder. It's the Black Radiant setting powder in the shade Banana. And I'm only gonna set this just a little bit, just so that she doesn't budge. Not that I even foresee that happening. Yeah, I get it. I completely get it. Usually, you know, when I go like this a lot, you see that, but it's not even like a thing. Okay. I was trying to hold all my thoughts and comments for the end, but I'm like in such awe that I should. So now, just like any other day, I'm gonna bronze my face using the Ruby Kisses contour kit, using one of the lighter brown shades. Today I'm using this one, and I'm just gonna like pack that there, pack that there. Fenty needs a contour kit. That I'm copying. After seeing the way this blends effortlessly, bitch, I'm breaking out. I'm gonna use that lighter shade in the contour kit too, I always use this for my nose, so I always start by the brow and then bring it down. For the sake of my slight OCD, I'm setting my face using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. This has been that girl all year. And yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna set my face. Oh, y'all know the deal by now. Using this Oasis palette to highlight. Bitch, do you see why I get excited to highlight with this? And I'm not gonna do that thing on my forehead because when I did that in my last video, it bothered me. Okay, bitch, I may have overdone it with the highlighter, but that's fine. We're gonna fix that in a second with some blush. Using my Black Radiance blush in the shade Toasted Almond. Just funny, my hair is Spiced Almond, in case you guys are wondering. My hair is Spiced Almond by Adore. Shout out to my hair colorist. So, Leanne, you guys have a video on how she colors my hair? Let me know. But I take this just to kind of, you know. I'm so happy. Makeup makes me happy. Like, bitch, you don't understand. This makes me happy. I'm gonna take a little bit over my forehead. Then I'm gonna go back into my, bitch, it's time for some new powder. Do y'all see that? It's like flat, but there's still powder in there. So, take this. Just take it over my highlight. My nose. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful. Now, optional. I'm not gonna take too much, but I'm gonna go back into this Ruby Kisses powder just to brighten my under eye a little, little bit. I'm going to take this shade under my eye, pat her in just like that, and now I'm taking this, tapping this on here, pressing that there, pressing that there. That's it. That's it. Nothing else. Had whatever little product thought she was gonna stay on the clock without being at work. Yeah, I stole that from Auntie Jackie, so what? So, and then I'm just gonna press that under the eye. Take some of that over here. I'm gonna go over the face without picking up any more product. Spray the face one more again. I got the Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. I love this lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It wears beautifully. It looks beautiful. It has a tint of color, but it's still like a really pretty, like, yeah. Shout out to Lavishly She Is for sending me these. You can use code Felipé Charming for a discount on these lashes. If you guys want a lash application video, let me know. Lavishly She Is on Instagram. Final thoughts on this foundation, concealer, and gloss bomb. Love, love, love. 10s across the board. I matched myself beautifully. I was really shook about that. Really shook about that because I tried to match myself in the past 101 times. Either I was under the influence, or I was just with someone who's rushing me, or, you know, just like a whole bunch of different dynamics, or I just didn't like the consistency. I was apprehensive. Then I was a broke bitch. It was kind of like, no, I'm playing. But look, check me out. I put on way too much highlighter, but all of that is fucking pimple right here. All of that aside, I love this. 10s across the board. Shout out to Rihanna. She did that. This is the bomb ass moment. It's great. The concealer is phenomenal. Like, I look like I slept for at least 12 hours, like at least. And I probably slept for like 6, but that's neither here nor there. So I love this. 10s across the board. And yeah, 2019, I've been doing this for a minute. I'm trying to really elevate myself, elevate my channel, elevate my brand, and just put myself out there and stop being so shook and scared to do everything. Kind of just throw myself out there. I want to do this for the people who can't do this, or the people who feel like they can't do this, depending on where they live, or, you know, sociological issues or anything like that. I just want to put myself out there and just, you know, do it for them. And, you know, of course, myself and my dream and my goals. And just, you know, shout out to Rihanna for these amazing products. She didn't send them to me. I paid for them. Let's not get that twisted. Girl. My email's in the link down below. Hit it up. So, yeah, I'm really loving this. Like, as you can tell, probably feeling myself a little too much. Oh, I almost forgot to do slow-mo. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!